Hi, I'm Kyle Vorachek, one of the owners here at Neighborly Property Group. I'd like to take a couple minutes to explain what you should expect when working with us on your roof installation. We'll be showing you the steps we take to protect your property and guide you through the installation process to ensure you have the best possible experience. First, a production manager will be on site frequently to oversee the project, ensure quality, and address any concerns. He'll coordinate with you before the installation, during the project, and after completion. Reach out to him or your sales representative for any questions. For your roof replacement project, the delivery of materials and a dumpster are crucial. These items will be delivered to your driveway or street, usually the day before installation. If you have preferences for the placement of materials, you can discuss it with your salesperson or production manager during the project scheduling call. It's important to keep your driveway clear as the crews will start early in the morning. We recommend parking your cars on the street to avoid any inconvenience. Customers often ask us if they can put their own items in the dumpster. The answer is no. The dumpsters are strictly for construction materials related to your project. Adding personal items can result in additional charges that would be passed on to you. Please refrain from using the dumpsters for anything other than construction materials. Additionally, the dumpsters we provide for our projects usually come with bathrooms for our installers' convenience. While you can use them if necessary, they are primarily reserved for our installers' use. The morning of installation, your production manager will confirm the correct delivery of materials. If anything is missing or incorrect, we'll work with our vendors to get them on site the same day to complete your project. The materials include far more than just shingles. Ice and water shields, synthetic underlayment, roof vents, and plumbing pipe flashings will also be placed with high-quality materials to ensure proper sealing. All necessary roofing components, including nails, caulk, sealant, and metal accessories, will be delivered in boxes alongside the shingles. We take extensive measures to protect your property. We'll use tarps and plywood to safeguard plants, pools, and fixtures. We make every effort to minimize any impact on softer plants, but some may experience minor compression from the tarps and debris coming off the roof. We recommend moving patio furniture and fragile items at least 10 feet away from the house to avoid damage. While it can be intense, we strive to handle the process delicately. During the removal process, things can get messy. The old shingles will slide off the roof during removal and onto the ground, where our crew will then pick them up and place them in the project dumpster. There can also be other debris and nails coming down off the roof. We ask that you exercise extreme caution if you need to enter or exit the property during installation. With the old roof removed, the crew will begin to install new, high-quality synthetic underlayment, providing a strong foundation for your new roof. They also incorporate ice and water shield to enhance the waterproofing. Then comes the fun part, installing the new shingles you've chosen. If you're home, you'll probably hear some banging from your roof. While we do our best to reduce noise, installation days aren't ideal for important Zoom meetings, as thousands of nails are required to properly fasten a new roofing system. Once the installation is complete, our crew will conduct a thorough inspection to ensure everything meets our high standards. They'll clean up the job site, removing any debris and leaving your property pristine. If anything needs additional attention, please reach out to your production manager or a sales representative. There may be extra materials left on your job site upon completion, as we typically order excess materials to ensure we don't run out during installation. We usually leave a few shingles for future repairs, but return those other materials to our suppliers in order to cut down on construction waste. Please leave them for our production manager. We'll also coordinate to have the dumpster picked up as quickly as possible, which usually happens within a day or two of project completion. And there you have it. Your new roof is installed, transforming the look and protecting the integrity of your home. We take pride in delivering exceptional craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. If you have any questions, please let us know. We look forward to working with you on your new roof installation.